Greetings from Vilnius, from Žirmūnų paplūdimys or Žirmūnų beach, the sandy beach on the river Neris. So here we have some stats. It says that it's 24 degrees in the air and 17 in the river. And I have already checked the river. It is 17 degrees Celsius, but in the air 24. I'm not really sure if this is accurate, as based on Google it is currently 22 degrees Celsius. However, still super warm day here in Vilnius on this 21st of September. And I'm gonna be taking a swim for the very first time in Vilnius, Lithuania, in the river of Neris that you will see in a bit, or actually you already see it. So it is a nice sandy beach that is also awarded the blue flag, and currently it is 2 p.m. and larger part of the beach is covered in shadow, but in the water is absolutely amazing, as you can see, and the water quality is 3 out of 3 stars. So at the entrance the water is still, but then after that you see that it is flowing and you need to be careful. Or maybe if you want to get to the center of the city for free, you can just lay on the water. So yes, Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in Vilnius and my first swim ever here in the river. It has been quite a while since I've been swimming in the river. I think it was last year when I was in Macedonia. So it's gonna be awesome and fun indeed. So it is quite a nice beach indeed, and not so many people on the beach today, as it is autumn actually, officially 21st of September. So, but still we have summer temperatures. And yes, I'm in Vilnius for the weekend. I arrived yesterday late in the evening, and I explored today a lot in the center of the city from early morning, and now it is time for beach adventures. So Neris river this is, and the beach is called Žirmūnai, and let's then go in for a swim. My first ever beach adventure in Vilnius, Lithuania, in a river. It looks quite amazing. So, little stats about Lithuania. Lithuania is the largest Baltic country out of the 3, second one being Latvia and the third one Estonia. And also what is interesting is that I have visited all of them this year for second time, since I have visited all of them in 2015 and 16. But now this year I visited them all because it's very convenient and there are direct flights from Stockholm, and it takes, to Vilnius it took 1.5 hours, but to Riga and to Tallinn it's 1 hour flight, so it's very convenient, sometimes even faster if the winds are nice. And yes, Lithuania has a population of 2.8 million people, and Vilnius being the capital city and the largest city with almost 600,000 population. And I'm gonna be here for the weekend. So now it's Saturday, 21st of September. Tomorrow I will be going to another city, interesting city, Trakai, that I'm planning to take a swim there. But yes, this beach, Žirmūnai, is on the river Neris. I will be exploring a bit more on the river, as there is a nudist beach also not so far away from here. So it's gonna be awesome. But with this view of the flowing river that you can see here, I am then ready to take a swim. And there's even some people doing grill today, as I can see on the beach. And now I have come also to the point where the river is flowing, so I need to be careful so I don't end up in the city. But yes, to here I took the bus number 20, was it, from the central part, and it's around 5 kilometers, so you can basically also walk. But I wanted to save some time for more beach adventures, and the ticket only cost 90 cents, so very cheap. If you have like a card, it is even cheaper, 65 cents with their card, but that costs also to buy, so it's more convenient with your credit card or debit card. You can buy the ticket directly in the bus. Alright, Vilnius, Neris River, Žirmūnai beach, let's go! Alright, it's actually the river is not that, it's not that strong, but if you don't move, it just takes you away. So you need to move and swim. But it's quite nice. It's quite nice indeed. Look at that. I can feel the pressure now taking in. So it's quite amazing. I haven't yet swam in a river in Sweden. That's maybe my next to-do list, to find the river in Sweden to swim in. I don't think we have in Stockholm, so I need to travel a bit further in the country. Alright, let's dive in once again and maybe swim against. So nice. So nice indeed how the water is taking you in. Alright, so and the bottom here is actually sandy, but there are stalks at some point as well. Alright, so now I'm better than it was stream currents, but that's then a wrap from this wonderful beach in Vilnius. One of the very few, as there are not so many beaches in Vilnius, as there are a few lakes and then the few rivers also, but there is no coast. So thanks a lot again for watching this episode with me. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon again with another adventure on the channel. Which adventures?